Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I am giving you guys another BooHoo clothing haul. So if you have not checked out my first one, make sure you guys check it out after you watch this video. And if you like wig tutorials, clothing hauls, black love, and some travel vlogs, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So on today's clothing haul, I am doing dresses. So I just love BooHoo. I love their quality and they have very fast shipping. And I was going through my closet and I realized that I don't have any dresses, whether it's for going out, you know, just like a regular date at the park, or even just to throw on really quickly. So I said, let me just grab a few dresses to add to my collection of my closet that I am revamping. So before we begin this video, I want to let you guys know that I was on video like number 3 or 4 at the time, and I just got done eating. So if I have a food baby, like, it is what it is. I'm not about to body shame myself. I love myself. I love my body and I accept all my flaws, and I hope you guys feel the same way about yourselves. So if you see a little, you know, pudge in there, it's just my food. So the great thing about BooHoo is that their stuff is always on sale. Like, they always have like 60% off for the US. I believe it's 70 for the UK, but 60 for us. And I did notice that they barely have free shipping. I got an email saying that they had free shipping, but when I typed in the shipping code, it only did 50% off versus 60, which is what, you know, which is what the website takes off automatically. I really just don't think that that's fair. So the only way you can do free shipping is if you do the 50% off, but it's cheaper and more affordable if you do 60% off, and then you'll have to pay the $10 in shipping. So I don't know if anyone else has noticed that, but I sure did, because, you know, it's coming out of my pockets. So everything that I got from BooHoo, I got in a size 6. And I will tell you guys the price throughout the video. So, Lego. Alrighty. So, the first outfit that we got here is a snakeskin dress. It has a side zip. This dress I got in a size 6. It is a little bit on the snuggish side. I don't know. Sometimes the UK, their stuff runs small. But yeah, I do like the way it fits. It is comfortable. It just, again, it is a little snug. It has a nice little slit and a zipper, and it makes my booty look nice. Yes. The zipper does go all the way down, but I really do like it with the slit. So I think that, you know, when I do decide to wear it, I will wear it with the slit. So for the snakeskin dress, I got this dress on their website for $17. So as you guys can see, the dress that I'm wearing it now, it's so comfortable. The material is nice and stretchy. It's a floor length leopard print dress. It does have a nice slit in it as well, and I just love the color combination. It's like orange, purple, you know, with the black leopard print. I just think it's so cute and it's so different. And if you guys have been following my channel, you know that I love me some leopard print. And I have a close-up of the pattern and what it looks like. It is a thin material, but it's stretchy and it's so comfortable. And I got this dress on their website for $15. So this next dress is a tall maxi dress. I just love the pattern and it's so cute. It definitely highlights my curves, because boy oh boy, my butt looks good. I got this in their tall section. So one thing that I really like about them is that they have like stuff specifically for people who are 5'7" and taller. So I got it in their tall section. They also have plus size and they kind of cater to everyone. I believe they have a petite section as well. This dress is definitely nice for a cookout. The material is very stretchy. It just glides on your body and it just looks so good. It is floor length, which is a plus for us tall girls. And I got it on their website for $12. So this next dress, this black maxi dress, it has 2 slits in the middle, and it's just so cute. You can wear it up or down. You could wear some sneakers with it or some flat sandals. I mean, you could wear heels, but you know, it's summertime, it's hot, like nobody wants to wear heels. But it fits so nice. It's like a t-shirt dress in a way, but It's more of like a tight fitted t-shirt dress. I got it on their website for about $15 and I really like this dress. It's so cute. Okay, so this next floral print dress is adorable. I think this could also be a vacation dress. You can wear it on a nice boat, on a yacht with some friends. Like, a lot of people have been out here boating this summer. I need to get like y'all because I want to be on somebody's yacht in a river, you know, drinking mimosas. Like, yes, that's my type of party. Yeah, this dress is so cute. It does have like a little tie thing in the middle that came with it. It's an extra piece of material. You tie it in the middle. Oh, and all their dresses, you guys, aren't adjustable with the straps. So I would say that's like a con. They don't have like the adjustable strap in the back, you know, to cater to everybody's boob size. But I got this dress on their website for $12. So up next we have this adorable t-shirt dress. It's so cute. The lighting is like kind of not really showing the colors, but it's like an Easter purple, a tan, and I want to say like an Easter blue as well. But it's so cute. I had gotten some purple Vans to go with it, and it like really set my outfit off. It was so cute. I had wore it for our anniversary at Top Golf, and I don't know if you guys know, but Top Golf is open. You just have to make a reservation online. It's a basic t-shirt dress, super cute. The length is pretty decent, and I got this on their website for $12. My total came to $92, and that's with the $10 shipping. So I got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got about 6 dresses, and I think I did pretty good this time around. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I just love the quality of BooHoo. I really do like the way things fit for me, and I have my friends and family ordering from there. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And on this channel, I will be doing wig reviews, clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs. I recently just went to the Poconos, so make sure you guys check out that video as well. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.